Hi guys, welcome back. So I decided that I wanted to start my own little series on my channel, Memories Account, obviously, you know that because you're watching, where I review things that I've used, like the menstrual cups, or talk about mom things, or women things, girly things, whatever. So for today, I wanted to start by opening my Ipsy bag. I used to have Ipsy, and then I stopped getting it because I wasn't liking things that were coming in the bag, and it just got a little boring. And I retook the quiz or whatever, and some of the selections, I don't know if they had new selections, but I liked some of the selections better, and I changed what I wanted. I guess my style or taste just changed. But yeah, so I got my first Ipsy bag again, and I am so excited. I peeked a little because I was just too excited, and Bella was all like, what is it, what is it? But this is the June bag they just sent me, and I got the yellow one, and I also got a facial mask, Botanic Fiber Unicorn Glow with chocolate, mulberry, and honey. Gluten-free, no GMOs, paraben-free, vegan, cruelty-free, anti-pollution. Ooh, I like that. How? But it's covered in plastic. How is it anti-pollution? I wonder. By BioBell. BioBell. Okay. I know they had, I think it was a red one. Because I know they have different colors and stuff for the bags. But I don't know if a lot of people know this, but the two things that I love to do, like they're kind of like my hobbies, is makeup and baking. And I actually just baked Kenny a cool cake, a gun themed cake for his birthday. But I love doing makeup. I love watching Manny MUA, Laura Lee, Jeffree Star, and Jaclyn Hill. I like her. But yeah. So let's see what we get. The second thing actually is Delectable Super Blend Beautifier Body Buttercream Triple Citrus Blend. Ooh, it smells pretty. It smells I was gonna say citrusy because it's a citrus blend. Duh. Ooh. What's next with this? A Luxie 245 small shader brush. I like the color of it. I got another brush from Ipsy one time, and it's my favorite brush. It's this one right here. It's got the whales on it. It's Glamour Dolls 10, number 10 brush. I love putting my eyeshadow on with this one. It's so fluffy. I used it for Bella's recital too, to put her eyeshadow on. This one's a small shader brush. This one would be good for under eyes. Okay, what's next? Luscious Lip. I don't know how to say that. Dorse, I think. Focus. It's too shiny. It's a Luscious Lip Stain. It's another reason why I like Ipsy, because you go to Walmart even, or Ulta, or Sephora, and some of their makeup is used because people, it's gross. One time I got a lip thing, and I had to throw it out because I opened it, and I was like, someone used this. Like, it's ridiculous. You can always tell because it's not clean, and lip stain. In what color? Passion Peach 615. Oh, I'm kind of excited. Passion Peach. Sounds like a good summer color. Oh my god. It's a lot brighter than I thought. It almost looks like a red. Oh wow. Wow, that dried fast. Wow, that's a bright color. last but not least, Steve Laurent eyeshadow. Ooh, I wonder what color. If I can open it. Ooh. Blueberry eyeshadow. Look at that pretty blue. This is not gonna match my lips, but we're gonna put it on anyway with the new brush. Look how vibrant that is. It has a pretty like iridescent to it. It's definitely not for blending out. This is more of a inner corner. I use this for the inner corner glitter. Love doing the inner corner. Or right here, or cutting a crease. This would work good probably. Or just packing it on. But when I pack it on, I like to use my finger. It definitely does not match my lips. But yeah, I like what I got. Definitely not boring stuff, because they kept sending me browns and stuff, and I was like, I want brighter colors, I want funner colors, you know? So, that is June's Ipsy bag. I am so excited I am getting this again. So, look how bright that blue is. Oh my god. I put my glasses on so I can see it better. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. We do lots of different things on our channel. Bella has her own little section where she does blind bags and all kinds of games and fun like that. And slime, of course. And now I'm going to be doing my corner of the channel called Mom's Corner. And I will see you guys later. Bye!